Hey y'all, it's me Amani, and today I'm going to be telling y'all all about this beautiful wig from Iziwigs. So today you guys are going to bleach it, install it, and give a quick review for me about this wig. So let's get right into it. So this wig just came in the mail from Izi, and I am so excited. I love Iziwigs. This is an Izi wig right now. Don't be looking too hard now. I done had it in for a good minute, and it's time to reinstall. So the wig came in that bag and a hairnet, and let's remove the hairnet and just look at this texture and just look at how bouncy it is. I love hair like this because with this you can just like wet it, push you in some products and go. So it's 13 by 6, so it goes all the way back. Really good parting space. Can we just get into the pre-pluckedness of the hairline? It also comes with a hairnet, some wig caps, this cute, super cute comb, and some clips. So y'all know that I like to wear my units auburn to mimic my natural hair color, so I'm gonna have a tutorial on how I normally bleach it up there and at the end of this video, so don't feel rushed to click it. So yeah, let's get into the bleaching process. And of course, Iziwigs hair can definitely withstand bleach, as y'all can see. So the first thing that you're gonna want to do when bleaching curly hair is make sure that you comb it all the way through. So I got the bleach going, and I'm gonna add in my 30 volume developer. I'm gonna do kind of like a bleach bath this time. So make sure it's nice and well combined. It looks done, and I don't want to over process the hair, so let's begin. Rinsing it out, hot water, not boiling hot and not alive. So just a little bit of water, some Adore cinnamon, some Adore Cajun spice. So to know exactly how much to put of each one, like I said, click that other video and just go watch it. Alright y'all, so this is how the wig looks now that it is my color. Y'all see, like, it looks kind of like it's gonna be loose, so I'm scared, but hopefully it's not. But the lace is lighter than me, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some Bold Hold lace tint in caramel. So this wig is made with a light brown Swiss lace. Very highly recommended. I like it a lot more than like the transparent lace or the HD lace, because a lot of times those laces can be a lot harder to apply, make it look natural without looking like Ripley or whatever. I don't know. This wig doesn't do that. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of hot combing for added naturalness, make it look a little bit better. Y'all see that fucking part? 13 by 6. I'm gonna use the Arrogant Masterclass tip. He said to do the edges with the hot comb going in the direction that you're gonna style them. I'm gonna just do these straight down. So Arrogant's Taste tip was definitely helpful. The first edge, as you can see, was very easy for me to do. I did it so straightforward, and the second one gave me the worst time. It might look easy, but it wasn't. Crazy story, y'all. My camera died, so now I'm gonna just basically show y'all how cute this hair can get. This is the hair's natural texture. This is how long it is. Super cute. It is so cute. Alright y'all, I'm gonna get cute real quick, come back and give y'all my quick review of this hair. I've had this hair in for 2 or 3 days now, so I got a good understanding of how much I like it. So on this point, we're about on day 3 of the install. Look at how good it still looks. It looks amazing. The hair still hasn't shed on me. Doesn't give me any problems. Like when I'm ready to re-wet it and like make the curls more defined, I just wet it. I use a mixture of lotion, water, and like Got To Be glue. And it gives it like a nice little hold and keeps the curls popping, but keeps them really tight so that when it gets dry, it doesn't poof up and get as fluffy as you might see how it looks here. However, this is the natural hair. That's the natural look of the texture. And it just looks amazing. It's so cute. It's so pretty. I love this wig. Here you see me doing a shed test. I just wanted to see me combing straight through the hair, like simple, easy. Is it gonna shed? Nothing came off. Not a single hair. So I was like, you know what? Let me do it again. Let me do the other side. I did the entire thing through the wig. Let's see. 1 strand. So if you're interested in this hair, I will have all the details for it down below in the description box, and you can also use code Amani20 and save you 20% on this wig, y'all. I know I have a coupon code, so you might be like, ooh, it's sponsored, you don't like this hair for real? Baby, I like this hair for real, literally. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos, and I will see y'all next time. Goodbye.